Hello everyone, my name is Jesus Daniel Sanchez Quintero. I'm studying mechatronic engineering in Universidad de las Américas, Puebla. Actually, I'm making my professional practices in Universidad de Concepcion, Chile. I'm going to talk about energetic gestion methodology of a streetlight system on UdeC Campus Concepcion. This project consists in a platform called UdeC, which allows to reduce energy consumption and pollution at the same time. There are two proposals: energy management, dimming schedule, and implementing sensors. With these two proposals, it was possible to calculate an estimation of how much energy it is possible to save. It is important to mention that LumenIQ is not operating right now. That's the reason why only proposals were made. Continue with the specifications. UdeC has LED technology in the public lighting. There are two types of power in the streetlights: 55 watts and 82 watts. Besides, it's possible to modulate, to change this power, changing the amount of current in the controller. Also, each streetlight counts with a blue device above them. It's a photocell. The photocell allows to the streetlights operates independently to the others, according to the light in the environment. It means the photocell measures if there is sunlight or not. If there is light, the streetlight will be turned off. The LumenIQ interface, it's like this. It shows the GPS location of streetlights, and it's possible to be the serial number of each one. Also, the platform shows the status characteristics like voltage, current, power factor, failures, etc. Well, LumenIQ is also called Central Management System. When the user wants to manipulate the streetlight, the LumenIQ sends a message to the gateway. This device controls the whole luminaries. It means the LumenIQ sends a message to the gateway, and the gateway sends that message to the luminaries. For understand better photocell behaviors, I did a graphic with the weather factors, taking as data cloudiness, precipitations, and sun hours. The energy saving was calculated with the energy consumption with the all luminaries and the difference with the LED technology. Knowing this, it is possible to know the behavior. It's important to see the summer, the November to February, exists more energy saving and more sun hours. In contrast with the winter, the months of May, June, July, and August exist less energy saving and more cloudiness and precipitations. Thanks to implement LED technology, these are the results. This is the energy consumption with the old streetlights. This with the LED technology, with the amount of ton of CO2, and this is the total savings. So the UdeC obtained a 65% of total percentage saving. It is important to mention that for this project, I will work with the other 35%, and that's 35% that I will to manage with the two proposals. Now, exist regulations for the luminosity by Chilean governments, and they divided into vehicular flux and pedestrian flux. Exists a minimum amount of luminosity allowed according to the flux type. The proposal is energy management. For this proposal, UdeC doesn't need to make an extra investment, just the platform LumenIQ will be operating. So actually, streetlights works like this. The whole luminaries at 100%. So, but with using the dimming schedule, the streetlights will be operate like this. With some streetlights at 100% and the others will be reduced to 70%. There are some areas in UdeC that can be manipulated. It means can be reduced. That depends of the user's traffic. The areas that will not be manipulated, that depends for the safety or aesthetic reasons. Knowing that, we need to choose the correct streetlights can be manipulated. The next step is to make a dimming schedule. LumenIQ offers this tool for make a energy management. So I program one dimming schedule per month because it's changed the number of sun hours per month. So how dimming schedule works? First, we need to see the description. The night starts at 8:48 p.m. and it will be turned on at 20 minutes before, and the sunrise at 6:30 a.m. and it will be turned off 20 minutes after. But why 20 minutes? It's a reference value. It's an error. The photocell will be to work. So knowing that, we can see the behavior of the dimming schedule. It will be stay at 100% until 10 p.m. and will be reduced to 80%. Also with the 12 a.m. it will be reduced to 70% until 6 a.m. and then will be increased again to 100% because the people will be arriving to the university and then will be turned off. The other proposal is to implement sensors. Well, it is important to mention that for this, UdeC needs to make an extra investment to buy the sensors. So knowing that, we can see how the luminaries works and how the luminaries will work. So implementing sensors consists if the sensor detects someone, the streetlights will goes up the power to 100%, and if the sensor doesn't detect someone near, the streetlights will be reduced. Well, will keep at 50%, however the programmer decides. Well, as a result, like the saving estimations is using just gestion without another investment, the UdeC can save 15%. And using energy management with sensors, UdeC can save 34%. Well, I learned about the importance of energy management and the difficulty that it has. Also, making just estimations, we can see we can save 15% until 34%. Also, we didn't consider a lot of data because LumenIQ don't show us complete data of whole streetlights. So that means that we can save more than the estimation. And the big environmental impact that it has. It means that with this we save more than 10 tons of CO2 a year. As a conclusion, it is possible to save energy, money, and reduce pollution at the same time. This kind of projects are paying by itself with savings. It means the investment that you can do is nothing with the savings you will obtain in years, because these devices will operate by 20 years. These are the principles of the smart city, and there's a lot of cities using obsolete streetlights. For example, in Mexico, there are just a few cities using LED technology. So for me, it's a big opportunity to implement in other countries. So that's it, and thank you for your attention. See you next time.